fractions with one binomial are the denominator. Examples. Solve the equation 12 divided by a minus 1 equals to 3. Solution. (12 divided by a minus 1 is equals to 3. Now, at the right hand side we have 3. We can write 3 as a fraction. So 3 will be in the form of 3 divided by 1, where 3 is the numerator and 1 is the denominator. So from here, we cross multiply. By cross multiply, what are we going to have? We have 12 times 1 equals to 3 times a minus 1. So by expanding the bracket, 12 times 1 we have 12, and 3 times a we have 3a, 3 times minus 1 we have minus 3. So the next thing for us to do is to collect the like terms. Collecting the like terms, we can see 12 here. So we have minus 3 here. So this minus 3, we are going to take this minus 3 to the left to meet 12. And if minus 3 is coming to the left, it will become plus 3. So equals to 3a. So we have 12 plus 3, that is 15. 15 equals to 3a. We want to find the value of a, so we divide both sides by the coefficient of a, which is 3. So dividing both sides by 3, now 15 divided by 3, what do we have? That's 5. 5 equals to a. So in this case, we can now conclude that a equals to 5. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.